Losing someone we love hurts deeply, and it can feel like a wound that never heals. It's a pain like no other, a unique and profound sorrow. You might feel lost and alone, as if the world has shifted beneath your feet. It's okay to feel this way. These emotions are a natural response to loss. Grief is a journey, and it takes time. There is no set timeline for healing. You might feel many emotions at once: sadness, anger, confusion. It's a complex process. It's important to remember these feelings are normal. They are part of the healing process. You're not alone in experiencing them. Many others have walked this path before you. Take each day as it comes. It's okay to cry. Tears are a release. It's okay to be angry. Anger is a natural part of grief. And it's okay to miss your loved one very, very much. Their memory lives on in your heart. What you're feeling is real, and it's important to let yourself feel it. Suppressing emotions can hinder healing. Remember to be kind to yourself during this time. Self-compassion is crucial. You are grieving, and it's a difficult process. Allow yourself the space to grieve. Don't expect too much from yourself too soon. Healing takes time, and that's okay. Grief can feel like waves, constantly ebbing and flowing, sometimes catching you off guard. Sometimes the waves are huge and scary, towering over you like a storm, making you feel small and vulnerable. They crash over you, making it hard to breathe, overwhelming your senses and leaving you gasping for air. Other times, the waves are smaller, more manageable, gently lapping at your feet, reminding you of the calm after the storm. You can float on top and find moments of peace, feeling the gentle sway of the water beneath you, offering a brief respite. These moments of peace don't mean you're forgetting your loved one. They mean you're healing, finding a new way to carry their memory. It's okay to smile again, to laugh again, to enjoy life again. These moments are a testament to your resilience and strength. Your loved one would want you to be happy, to find joy in the little things, and to live a life full of love and laughter. Just like the ocean, grief can be unpredictable, with its highs and lows, its calm and its storms. You might have good days and bad days, and that's okay too. Each day is a step forward, no matter how small. Don't judge your grief. Let it flow naturally like a river finding its path, carving its way through the landscape of your heart. Remember that you are not alone. There are others who understand, who have walked this path before you. Reach out to someone you trust and share your feelings. Connection can be a lifeline, a way to navigate the waves together. Talking about your loved one can help you heal, keeping their memory alive in your heart and in your stories. Everyone grieves differently. There's no right or wrong way to feel. Some people might cry a lot, while others might not cry at all. Some might need to talk about their loss constantly, while others might prefer to grieve privately. You might hear about the stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. These stages can be helpful to understand, but remember that everyone experiences them differently. You might not go through all of them, and you might not go through them in order. And that's okay. Your grief journey is unique to you. Finding your way through the darkness. When you're grieving, it's important to take care of yourself. Eat healthy foods, even if you don't feel like it. Get some exercise, even if it's just a short walk. And try to get enough sleep, even if it's difficult. Find healthy ways to cope with your emotions. Some people find comfort in journaling, writing down their thoughts and feelings. Others find solace in talking to friends or family members. If you're struggling to cope, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can provide you with support and guidance as you navigate your grief journey. Healing and hope. Healing from grief takes time. Be patient with yourself. It's a journey, not a race, and every step you take is a step towards healing. There will be good days and bad days. There will be moments of joy and moments of sadness. Allow yourself to feel each emotion fully, without judgment. But gradually, the intensity of your grief will lessen. The pain will become more manageable, and you'll find yourself smiling more often. Remember that healing doesn't mean forgetting. It's about finding a new way to remember and honor your loved one. You will always carry your loved one in your heart. Their memory will be a source of strength and comfort. But as you heal, you'll find ways to honor their memory while continuing to live your life. You'll create new traditions and find new sources of joy. You'll start to experience joy and happiness again. Laughter will return, and you'll find pleasure in the little things. You'll rediscover the beauty in the world. Nature, art, and the company of loved ones will bring you peace. And while your grief might always be a part of you, it won't always define you. You'll grow around it, becoming stronger and more resilient. You are strong and you will get through this. Believe in your ability to heal and embrace the journey ahead. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!